Hello, YouTube. So, something exciting just now happened, and it goes like this. Just now, two people subscribed. They happen to be people who I met in the Weight Loss Conference with my 100-pound meltdown. But anyway, those two people officially made it 50 people subscribed to this one here. So, we're going to have a little contest, and I'm going to give you from now, Thursday, December 16th, to Sunday night, what's that? The 19th at 10 o'clock Central Time, PM. And so what you need to do, because we're having a contest, is just leave a comment on this video. And then at that point, I'm going to shut the comments down, and I'm going to go over to random.org and give everybody a number and then select a winner. Because there's 50 subscribers. That's fun. Okay. So comment on, and I'll give you all a number, and we'll do all that on camera, and it'll be fun.